Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to stop Windows from automatically updating drivers, including GPU drivers, to prevent Windows from installing generic drivers that can sometimes cause problems like slow performance. So let's get started. First, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Now type gpedit.msc and press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor. From here, go to Computer Configuration. Then open Administrative Templates. Next, tap on Windows Components. Now scroll down to find and open Windows Update. Then open Manage Updates offered from Windows Update. Here, find Do Not Include Drivers with Windows Updates and double-click on it. In the new window, select Enabled. Then click Apply and OK. And that's it. Windows will no longer automatically update your drivers, including GPU drivers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.